Hey everybody, and welcome to SQL Practice Problems. This is a level 1 video. In this video, you will only have access to select from, where, in, like, between, and an or. So the outlines are in the description along with the dataset that you need and the answer key, and we will cover the answer key after the title. In case I don't see you, please like, comment, subscribe. Good luck and have fun. Alrighty, so the only data set in this video was the default TBL orders, so I'm going to go ahead and run this so we're on the same page. It'll take a few seconds because there are 10,000 records. Alright, so this is the last chance you have to pause the video before I open the answer key. Alright, here we go. So this is a level 1 practice query. The only syntax you were allowed to use was select from, where, in and or, between and like. And the data set was TBL orders. So the first request I had was I'm requesting all order information for orders created in the month of May 2019. So this is pretty simple. Select star from TBL orders. And there are two solutions here. One, we can use the between statement, but we have to plug in the last day of the month because all of our data has no time. So this will actually work because the between statement includes both the first and the last item in the between. So if I run this, I'll get 268 rows back. And the other solution to this is using the like statement. Now I have two variations of the like statement in the first request, but not in the other requests. So the like statement, we are supplying it the 2019-05 for May of 2019 to match the data here, 2019-05, and then we're giving it a % wildcard. And the second variation is if we replace the underscores with, if we replace the hyphens with underscores to indicate that we are looking for a specific wildcard. And there are probably more and more variations using the like, but for the most part, the 2019-05 with any day and time would also get you the 268 records returned. So if you got that right, 1 point for you. Now the second request I had was I'm requesting all order information for orders delivered in the months of May, June, July 2019 that arrived in Oregon or Washington. So lots of text in the request, but not so much in the actual statement. So we have select star from TBL orders, because I'm requesting all order information, where the order delivery date using the between statement is between 5/1 and 7/31, the first date and the last day in the range, and the destination state name in OR or WA for Oregon or Washington. Now if I run that, I'll get 305 records back. And there is a variation on here. We could break this down, the in statement, into, ORs, but we can also utilize the same where. I can actually do it. The same where statement, the same like statement. But we're doing order of operations. We're wrapping our delivery date or delivery date or delivery date in parentheses and then querying, just like the previous solution, 2019-05, 2019-06, 2019-07. So this does increase the amount of code versus a small couple lines here, but it is a solution nonetheless. So this also gives us 305 records back. For the third request, I said I am requesting all order information for orders created and delivered in the month of February 2020. So once again, select star from TBL orders, where order create date between 2/1-2/29 and order delivery date between 2/1-2/29. If I run this, I will get 82 records back. These were both created and delivered during the month of February. And the alternate solution is using the like statement where we have 2002 with a wildcard for both the create and delivery date. And if I run this, again, I should get 82 records back. So the final request I had was I am requesting all order information for orders created in 2020 containing person IDs greater than 35 and less than 72. So because in this statement, or in this practice problem set, I didn't allow you to use greater than or less than. This was an attempt to exercise that thought on between. So we do have select star from TBL orders, where order create date is between 1/1 and 12/31 for the entire year of 2020. And the person ID is between 34 and 71, which is one less than the requested because the between statement does include both of these numbers or both of these dates when using it. So if I run this statement, I'll get 1,113 rows back. And the alternate solution was just using the like statement instead of the between, where I would also get 1,113 rows back. So hopefully you got 4 out of 4. Congratulations if you did. Please like, subscribe, and definitely comment. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next SQL practice video. You have a good one.